Here's a pair of the JLab JBuds mini earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put the earbuds into pairing mode. Okay, so go ahead and open the case up, take out both buds, and after you take out both buds, give it a few seconds and then just wait. Now if one of the earbuds is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, that indicates it's in pairing mode. Okay, I'm not getting any lights on here. The reason is because I'm connected or paired to a different device. So I'm currently connected to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. It's currently connected and paired to this phone here. Let me go to settings. I'm going to go to connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. And you can see that it's connected, all right? So what I'm going to do is just turn off Bluetooth right now. As soon as I turn off Bluetooth, look at the earbuds. Now look. So one of the earbuds is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, all right? Just one of them. So now it's in pairing mode. So now we want to go to our Samsung TV and you want to go to the settings. You can click on the home button on your remote, go to the home page, and then you just want to go to settings. Okay, I'm going to go to the left here, all the way over, and I'm going to go down to settings, right there, all settings, select that.
You see,
and then from here you want to go down to sound, and then we're going to move over to the right to sound output. Currently the sound output, the sound is coming out of the TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these. So let's click on sound output. From here we're going to go down to Bluetooth speakers and list right there. Select that. And you can see that little spinning thing there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. So let's just go down here. I have some other Bluetooth or Bluetooth headphones and speakers paired to this TV here, but let's keep going down. Let's see if it finds it. It's still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, white, and there it is right there. It says needs pairing, okay? So we're going to select on that, pair and connect. Give it 1 second here. Okay, looks like we're connected. So now you can see that it is now connected. Okay, now if I click on the back button, I go back here, you can see also now it's with the JBuds Mini. Anyway, if you guys had any issues pairing or connecting, or you couldn't put this in pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area.